Hi, good morning everyone. This is regarding the course Integrated Circuits, which will be starting at 6th of June 2018 and will end on 20th of June 2018. This video is to explain you about the flow of the course. The course is for 1 hour and it is on applications of operational amplifier. So initially, the video that you are watching is under this folder screencast of the course. So this video will tell you the flow of the course that you should follow. So to understand the applications of operational amplifier, you follow this link of PPT on applications of operational amplifier. So once you click on this, it will guide you to this particular window. Click on this PPT and just go through the PPT that is there. Few applications, linear as well as non-linear applications, are covered in this PPT. Then scroll down, whatever matter or contents are covered in that PPT, there is a question which is to be discussed upon. So the question is here, discuss on the various linear and non-linear applications. So all the participants who would be attending this course or participating in this course will, I would wish them to discuss on this particular question, as it carries grades and marks also. So later, once you finish with the discussion forum, then go through the quiz. So it is there is a quiz on the content that is covered in PPT. So here, just click on the link of quiz and then go to attempt quiz, and then you will have to attempt all the questions. Once you attempt all questions, click on submit button so that your result and your grades, or you can view your grades and whatever marks you have received. While you are attempting each question, when you submit that particular question, you will come to know whether the question is correct or wrong. Of course, the correct answer will not be told to you, only you will understand if the attempted question is correct or wrong. Later, we have a flipped classroom activity. In flipped classroom activity, as per your convenience, go home wherever you wish to and just go through the video, this particular video which is on voltage limiter. Once you go through that video, there is an assignment which is to be done out of class. So this is completely an out of class activity. So complete that assignment, and followed by that assignment in class we will be having a TPS activity. So this is what is assignment and TPS activity. So this is your assignment. You click on this and you just solve the questions, and this is the TPS activity that will be followed by the assignment in class. So TPS is nothing but think, pair and share, and we will be doing this activity in class. Later, once you finish with the think, pair, share, or rather once you finish with the flipped activity or flipped assignment, actually our course is over. So you will have to give feedback on the course. So here, take care, this is a numeric feedback. So 3 will be for very good, 2 is good, and 1 is satisfactory. So whatever, for every question, whatever numeric value you think, you just write it down. And lastly, there is a survey which is to be given. So for feedback, you will click here and just go through, answer the question. Click on answer the question, and you will be guided to a page where you will have to write the answers. Later, once this is over, just go through a survey which is done for the overall course, that is this thing. So this is your survey. So just go to survey and just write down the answers for the survey. So this is end up of the course, which is for maybe 20 days or so, and I hope you will get knowledge from this course and you will enjoy attending this course. Thank you very much for listening to me.